What are we gonna go do now?
What are we gonna do, Jagger? Tell him.
What did you get Daddy for Christmas? What did you get him? Ryan?
Droid.
We're gonna go build a droid.
Yeah, build a droid.
Yay! You ready, bud? You ready? He really, honestly, all he cares about is his bottle bag. That's literally, yep, see, that's all he wants. Ready, Jagger? At the end? Okay, thank you. All right. So see these, it looks like these are the different parts we need. So we need a middle, the 2 arms, a base, and a head.
Look at all the parts. Look at it.
What do you think, buddy?
What are we gonna build? You wanna pick one?
You want the black body?
You gotta pick the base first. Let's pick the base first.
What?
Which one?
Which is the base? The big part?
The base is like that. Yeah, like that's a base.
Black one.
You want to do a white?
So you want this black one here? That's coming up? Right there?
Black? No, that's the wrong one.
Alright.
Good job, bud. Good job, buddy.
Like this?
Yeah, you like that one? Yeah, he likes that one. Okay.
Good choice, right, Daddy? Daddy did good?
Okay, bud. Hi. So now you need the head.
The head?
You want a red one?
Red legs.
You want red legs? Okay, yes we are. Thank you so much. So like this, Ryan? Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay, there's one. I see another one coming.
Another bolt.
Huh?
There's 2 of them.
Alright, so now we need black.
Oh, I see.
2 red.
Okay.
Ooh, that, I see that head. The red, the black, and the gray one.
Which one?
No.
This one right here?
That one right there.
See that?
This one?
See how it's like clear?
This one?
You can see inside
It's
of
the
it?
same one.
Oh, it has a red dot.
Oh, I see.
You can do a blue one.
That's the one Daddy wants? Wow. I don't think we put it together yet.
Oh, alright. Is that right?
Okay.
It's okay? You want something different? A red top? Jagger?
You can look what they look like. Here, let's get the red one. What does the red one look like on it? Instead?
That's kind of cool.
Or do you want...
What do you think?
Oh, this is your Christmas gift. You pick. I like everything. What do you think, Jagger? You like red?
No, he likes the other one better.
He likes the legs right now. Is that the one you like, bud? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna get the black one instead? Okay.
Alright.
We got legs, and it looks like we need the little bottom piece. So here's red, and there a black just passed us.
You're red. Mommy's finding all the
That's
good parts. That's it, right?
Or do you want a black bottom or a red bottom? You like the red bottom?
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think we got it.
Are you sure? That's good?
Seems like we're taking everything out of our basket.
Alright, let's watch Jagger. Let's do it.
Wow, bud, look at that.
So we're going to start with the legs of our droid. These gold wires should be facing the front of your droid's body. Go ahead and put them on. Perfect. So we're going to lay it on its side. And you're going to drill.
Oh.
You want to press this button?
Press the
Go
button.
ahead, buddy, press the button. Go ahead, you got it. Go ahead, Ryan, just push it for him.
Perfect. You're going to do the exact same thing on the other side.
Good boy.
So now we're gonna drill. Go ahead and press that button there for me.
Go ahead, buddy. Wow. Good job, bud. Good job. Yeah.
They just need to steal.
Wow, look at that. That looks cool. You like it?
So now we're gonna grab this bottom foot here. It's gonna go right on the bottom till you hear it click. If it doesn't go in one way, turn it to the other side. Did it click all the way in?
All the way. There you go. Good job, bud.
Go ahead and grab the head, put it on, and rotate it so it falls into place.
Oops.
Perfect. Now I have some pieces for you to pick out from. These are gonna go on the front of your droid. Right here, they'll be the front panels. You can choose to mix and match or have the same colors.
The front panels. Here, I'll hold it and you put it in.
Or you can lay it down and just like.
Oh, that works actually. Let's do that. That's better.
These are gonna be the leg panels. They'll go right here. You can mix and match or have the same colors. And some more colors.
You want white?
Do white.
There you go.
And then
The other way around. No, like right here, but the other
That's
way.
cool.
Turn it. There you go. Bottom first. Bottom first. And then
All
click.
right. And then the other ones are the sides you said?
Yep, right here.
The legs. No, I think it goes like this. Yeah, see it like that. There you go. How you doing so far?
Good.
Activating! Whenever you're ready, press that flashing button for me. Perfect. So now your droid is activated. When using your droid, you want to make sure not to have it straight like this because it'll fall forward. You're going to push the body forward, push these feet forward, and this goes back. You want to make sure all these wheels are touching the ground or it's not going to move.
Thank you.
These are going to be to move it side to side.
Wow.
This will be to move its head. This will be to make it speak.
Wow.
Front and back. And if you get any accessories like the blasters or the rockets, this will be how you make the noises for it.
Okay,
Go
cool.
ahead and try it out, then I'll show you how to put in the personality check.
Okay.
So we're going to go ahead and put in these blocks.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Whoa. Look. Jagger. Jagger. Look, baby. We did it.
Go ahead, open that up. We're going to interact with each other as well as with other droids around them, the land, and the rides here on Batuu.
You want me to turn it so we can see it?
Droids
Oh,
out,
thank you.
make sure you turn them all up at night.
Put it in the right way.
Yeah, either way it'll go in.
Oh, okay.
And just shove it right in there.
There we go.
There we go.
Perfect.
You're on camera. Look at you on camera. Look
Yeah.
If I'm not using your droid, it'll go
Look, buddy. Chewbacca. Oh, what was that noise?
What was that, guy?
Did you say hi? You just say hi?
Yeah.
I think you just said hi.
Thank you. That's so nice. Say hi. Yeah.
You're having a ball, aren't you,
What did
Jaggy?
you do?
Are you having a good time, buddy?
What did you do?
You having a fun time at Hollywood Studios? Yeah.
We have a lunch reservation at 1:55.
Yeah, we're a place we've never been before.
We have like an hour-ish, maybe a little
Yeah.
less than that still. So, just like a little walk.
Yeah.
Ryan got sangria.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. And we ordered and we're waiting. Right, buddy? Yeah.